tanging them all.
Cool down. Okay.
G, engaging on me
Sino
now.
ba?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me now. Spread up kayo dyan ha. Ilang percent na lang gate? 63.
60.
7-3 infinity oh.
To hold them gate lang sa red to hold them pag nabasag yung gate. Huwag kayo muna gawa ng CC. Ready now? Wala ba akong food?
Ready.
Di pa ako
10 second daw eh. Ay, na daw.
engage yung now in 3, 2, 1 and now. I-heavy mix na lang si Urus na parang naka-steady lang. Mag-engage sila.
Looking ha, looking.
30%.
Sige lang, sige lang. Huwag mo na natin gamitin cooldown sa atin. Hold. Ilan din na nila? 3 pa lang eh. Susugurin ko na dapat to eh.
Nasa cliffs. Doon si me.
Pinry pumpin doon.
Wait lang.
10% ah.
Wala ba tayong naka-spear na ano, ay nakahatak na ano, spear?
Wala ata. Wait lang, mag-ano ako.
10%.
Sa notice, malayo.
Di ko negate, my bad. Akin.
Comeback.
Looking.
10% na lang yan, 10% na lang yan.
Hila front.
Engage sa tank.
Kailang full ano lang.
4% na lang ah.
Nasaan yung kayo?
Ilan ng cooldown?
Sakit natin. Ay, meron na yan. Tira.
Sige lang.
Mas kampante pa ako pag bukas yan.
Hindi makakapasok yan.
Oo nga eh.
Makapasok yung flip. Ano yan?
Wait. We're going to walk in. Wait lang. Pa-engage sila.
Looking ha.
Wait, drop guard
May hindi
sila.
siya
Wait
na.
lang. Wait.
Mga DPS na sa southwest ha. Ay, nasa south banda. Ano, looking.
Looking.
Defensive.
Oh my god, si Mercy. Walk in, guys, walk in. Go inside to them. Go inside. Spread. Go inside. Go northeast. Spread. Go in the middle. Don't go in the middle. Spread, guys, spread. Engaging on me now in 5, 4, 3, 2. On me now. Now spread up, bro. Spread and roll. Spread. Find the healers. Spread. Alice, go.
Defensive.
Heal up, Heal northwest. We need to heal northwest. Come on. Oi, go out, as castle.
South.
Go out. Oh my god, pati hindi pa rin sa loob. Engaging on me now in 5, 4, 3, 2. On me now.
Ready for...
Bro them. Find the healers, bro.
Orius on northwest.
Spread, guys, spread. Don't clamp up.
Broken.
Spread, don't clamp up.
More.
Spread, don't clamp up.
Ayun na, nagka-clap sila.
Spread, don't clamp up. Engaging on me now. Ready, wait in 5, 4, 3, 2.
GA.
Magaling ka random drop pa kayo ng E. Pull pala to.
Under.
Drop this now. Para hindi tayo malawal. Drop this if you have. Drop this. Hila pro.
Ito duty malaki.
Keep rolling. Anti-brawler tayo. Di tayo mababrawl. Dapat yan. Come southwest. Ready tayo. Keep rolling. Demon. Keep healing. Drop this if you have. Keep trapping Judy if you have. Heal me. Keep rolling. Engage on me now. In 5, 4, 3, 2. On me now. Clap this shit. Nag-clerical. Magaling mag-clerical yan.
Full brawl.
Careful.
Wait, spread up. Spread up.
I drop Jody.
Spread is south, east, east, and west. Mana daw. Mana. Heal, depth now.
Yung Patrick, healer yung Patrick.
Find the healers.
Patrick.
Harun 1 healer.
Sila.
Ito, si Aaron
Harun 1 healer.
Sa north is sila lahat. Hindi sila ano.
Healer. Dying healer.
Healer.
Patay.
Putang ina, random drop ng mga bobong to din ang... Ah, my god, full bro. Dep now. Nice,
Wala na yan!
Walk in. Ito si H-Dong, nakamak ng bungo.
Sige, binabantayan ko yan.
Uli nyo lahat.
Si Urios, huwag nyo patakasin.
Pinapatay namin si Orius.
Nice!
Lang. Oh, lang. Running na. Wala na.
Meron tayo ng castle, namamatay tayo isa.
Running.
Ay, sana may
All
mamatay
mapping.
isa. Gusto ko pero.
Iba kayo.
Ay, may chariot to! May chariot yan! George, wait, may chariot yan! Ayun, nasa harapan mo chariot! Ay, bastion pala, bastion! Ayun o! Ito! George, White!
Patay na yan, patay na yan.
George White,
Patay si
nasa harapan
Orios,
mo.
patay si Orios, patay si
Ayun,
Orios.
ayun, ayun,